Nothing fucking makes sense anymore. The whole world has gone crazy. Everyone's so wrapped up in social media.
Fuck social media.
So wrapped up in conspiracies.
Fuck conspiracies.
Who are we? What have we turned into? Where do we go from here? Who's got the answers?
Somebody's gotta be out there.
I've got a few.
Sometimes you've gotta be the one to get off your ass and make the difference. And sometimes it doesn't matter what you do. No one listens. But does that mean you give up? Just fucking quit? And then settle into your little life of ignorance? What are you gonna do about the way you feel? Virtue signaling is not the fucking answer. Making a crafty little sign and standing outside is not the answer. Making a cool post on Facebook that's edgy is not the answer. If you want the real answer, you're gonna have to search deep, deep within your soul. Throw out everything you thought you knew and everything you were taught. I've got the answer.
Use your fucking turn signal.